Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be speaking in this 5 in 5 about eco-friendly, natural, non-toxic products that you can use to clean your house and your body. So I've talked about another video that I released this week about environmental toxins and how toxic it is for your body and how harmful, so you can check that out as well to see where this topic has come from and how it impacts your life. So let's start. So the first one, like all-purpose cleaner for surfaces and your stove and your sink, all of those things, even your dishes, you can use lemon, baking soda, and white vinegar. So you can first pour on the baking soda, then you can add some vinegar, and it will dissolve and bring up all of the grime and the dirt. So this is a wonderful replacement for any of your all-purpose cleaners. Then you can also take citrus peels and soak it or put it inside a bottle with vinegar. Close it up and leave it for 1 week, 2 weeks, for some time. The fragrance will go into the vinegar and you won't have that vinegary smell, but you'll have a nice citrusy, fresh, cleaning surface. So you can use it in your bathroom, you can use it in your kitchen, your lounge, wherever you want, on the floors, on the walls. For your toilet, you can also add rubbing alcohol. So the rubbing alcohol will help to kill the bacteria in the toilet area or the toilet bowl. So then you'll take vinegar, the rubbing alcohol, and lemon or lemon juice, and then you can clean with that. So it takes away all the toxins and it takes away all of the bacteria and it cleans really, really well. So that was number one. So number two, an alternative to soap. So alternative to washing your body. So you can use coconut oil, olive oil, distilled water, and sodium hydroxide, and an essential oil. Mix them together, let it cool down. It will become like a paste, a hard paste, because coconut oil at room temperature is a solid. So this you can use as a body soap. The essential oil will give it a smell, and it will also, whatever beneficial effect the essential oil has will be conveyed to your body. So you can choose the essential oil. You can use any of the range of many different ones: tea tree oil, lavender, rosemary, etc. There are so many. You can choose one and you can use whichever one you like, either the beneficial effect or the smell. Then number three, shampoo. So for shampoo, you can use, coming back to number two, for a soap, you can replace your soap with just castile soap as well. You can use castile soap straight and wash your body. You can put it into a little bottle with a squeezy head that makes it a foam, and that works really, really well. That's what we use at home. Castile soap in a squeezy bottle, and it squirts out like a foam. Really, really wonderful, and it cleans really well. I thought about that because number three is a shampoo, which you also start with a base of castile soap. So castile soap can be used for body and your hair. So you can mix castile soap, an essential oil, and some water if you have oily hair. If you have dry hair, you can add a bit of vegetable oil like olive oil or glycerin. So again, the essential oil is for the smell and for whatever beneficial effect you would like to have on your hair. So that is soap, shampoo, and cleaning products that you can replace with a natural product that has a low amount of toxin. Then number four, toothpaste. So things that you put in your mouth have a big effect because you have a lot of blood vessels and things are easily absorbed into your bloodstream in your mouth. You also get sublingual medication that you put under your tongue because it's a really good and easy place for it to absorb. So you don't want to put harmful things into your mouth. Normal toothpastes contain a lot of heavy metals and also fluoride. Fluoride is harmful in high levels. I've talked in a previous video about your dental health. High levels of fluoride do not help your tooth health. It might keep your enamel looking good, but it does not help your inner tooth. It won't stop cavities, and it can even make your teeth softer on the inside. So, a toothpaste: coconut oil, mineral drops, bentonite clay, xylitol, coconut nibs, or activated charcoal or baking soda. So the base here will be the coconut oil, and you can add some bentonite clay and xylitol just to make it taste nice. Then you can add either the cacao nibs for the roughage, the activated charcoal also for the roughage and for the antibacterial effect, or the baking soda as well for that dissolving of all the bacteria and the toxins. Just watch out for baking soda. If you have fillings in your teeth, baking soda will actually dissolve them, and they will end up dissolving and disappearing out of your mouth. That's why baking soda is such a potent and brilliant cleaning product, because it really removes everything. So just be careful of baking soda if you have fillings in your teeth. But yeah, that's an alternative for toothpaste. So you'll see that coconut oil is one of the universal ones here that you can use. Then the next one, deodorant or antiperspirant. So if you are using a conventional one, think about the area you're putting it on. It's under your arms, right near a lot of your lymphatic glands and absorbing glands. It's also right next to the mammary glands for a woman, your chest area, your mammary glands and your tissues, your breast tissue. So breast cancer has increased a lot, and it has also been linked to things going on in this area. That is a lot of toxin you are putting right on that sensitive area. If you're using conventional antiperspirants or deodorants, they contain a lot of heavy metals, and that can contribute to the growth and the mutation of your cells, and it can cause cancer, because a lot of the cancer, a high percentage of breast cancer is found in that breast tissue around your underarm, armpit area. So be really careful of things you put on your body, because they can contain toxins. So alternative for deodorant or antiperspirant is just a mineral rock or mineral salts that you can use. They will neutralize the bacteria. The reason why you have smelly armpits or smelly sweat is because your body is detoxing. It's getting rid of toxins through your sweat, through your skin. So if your body is healthier, if you are detoxing through your kidneys and your liver and your bowels, then you will have less coming out of your skin. So you will have less smelly sweat. So just by cutting out animal products and dairy, you will have a much better smelling sweat, because you are not exuding all of those toxins. So coconut oil, arrowroot starch, baking soda, an essential oil again for the smell and for the beneficial effect, and you can also put shea butter in there. So those can make up an effective deodorant or antiperspirant, and as I said, a mineral rock. You can also buy natural, eco-friendly alternatives at most shops, but you can also make them yourself for a fraction of the cost. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and as always, have a healthy day, and to God be the glory.